Well, fam, you welcome back once again on SourceTube. Today's news update is about the violence that took place at Nima on Tuesday. 20,000 Ghana cedis reward has been offered to anybody who can leak an information leading to the arrest of these two rival gangs who were behind this violence. That is what the police has put out there. Well, not to waste too much of your time, let's take some few minutes and read the article from City News. Thank you very much. A 20,000 reward has been offered for information leading to arrest of the leaders of the two rival gangs police say were behind the violence at Nima on Tuesday. The gang leaders have been identified as Ali Awudu alias Bonbon and Ibrahim Hussein alias Kumoji. Addressing a press conference on Wednesday evening, the Director of Public Affairs of the Ghana Police Service, ACP Kwesi Ofori, said the police were working to reduce activities of the gangs. Gangsterism of this height will not be accepted by the Ghana Police Service, and we will do whatever it takes to make sure we nip them in the bud and dismantle their network. So far, police have said the tensions were the latest attempt to lord over each other, though the exact cause of the Tuesday violence remains unknown. There have been occasions where they have had a lot of fights at the lower level without coming to the light, ACP Ofori said. In the past, he said, the gangs has been hauled before the Municipal Security Council. They also came to Nima police station 2 years ago and were bonded, ACP Ofori added. Following the latest eruption of violence, police said 3 people were seriously wounded, but no fatality have been recorded. 1 person was shot in the violence and is receiving treatment at the 37 Military Hospital. Police also believe there may be more wounded persons in Yede. Some gang members have refused to go to the hospital and they are nursing their wounds as well. But our intelligence out there will definitely get those who were involved in the violence, ACP Ofori said. So finally, there has been a reward offer out there that anybody who can find out those gang leaders, they will definitely reward them with the 20,000 Ghana cedis. So this is the new update from the Ghana Police Service. Well, talking about sports, the GFA boss said, "I don't regret one bit sacking CK Akono." Well, not to waste too much of your time, let's take some few minutes and read this article from Ghana Web and know what exactly the GFA boss said about CK Akono. Yeah, okay. Ghana Football Association GFA President Kat Edwin Simeon Okreku has said emphatically that he does not regret sacking former Black Stars coach Charles Pabla Akono. Charles Akono was sacked together with his 2 assistant coaches in September 2021 after supervising Ghanaians and Bismarck start to the FIFA World Cup qualifiers as Black Star coach. The GFA replaced the former Asante Kotoko coach with expatriate Milovan Rajivak, who recently led Ghana to a group stage exit at the 2021 African Cup of Nations. In an interview with TV3, Kat was asked whether or not he regrets sacking CK Akono. He answered, "I don't regret it." He further said that the FA will start from scratch in rebuilding Ghana football after an embarrassing elimination from the AFCON. Facing the Ghanaian football problem starts from the very foundation. It is the responsibility of everyone in ESCO around this time to have cool heads to ensure that we have the right decisions being taken for our dear Black Stars. Meanwhile, the squad has landed in Ghana with the players set to depart to their respective clubs. Well, so according to the GFA boss, he said he doesn't regret one bit sacking CK Akono. That is what he said. And with such utterances and such performance, it doesn't really make sense. Yeah, at least CK tried, but with this performance, no. Kai. Group stage power, we didn't qualify, which is very sad. So Countryman Songo also reacted. In fact, this one spit fire on the GFA leaders to the point he rained curses on them. No be small thing, player.
Yeah, and go for nation ball time be a Ghana. Yeah, but as any players, you will players. But mudi yeah national team I business. Mo famu players omo ya average omo ya de. Mo so omo national jersey. Na mo tumi ya eden. Anti musica. Bad. She baller Equatorial Guinea. Bo. She baller other teams in Bo. Ade na mo ku Ghana mo say Ghana football sa. Sika die pasa. It's a much winning answer. Moya pay for bonnet, and maybe Tiamoka. Nagana for me catchable. Say more share tournament to Abia. No more share other countries matters or mobile. And Kamubo young paying for. Or think he is so mukura. So-called football people, or think he is so selfish interest, person kumya, foolish you people, professional. Players when we players. No but me aboy me. Ni a players when we get me a ball or mobile. The beer ni baby a Durobian goddamn. We in the bonnet for Namotegana, local boys and any certain foreign boys be back to me a ball papa, but any players are moving to Muti. Wow, the ball have cost war, I've gone away. The ball and go for defending champion, Retania, Equatorial Guinea in the bubble. Equatorial Guinea players bay, Sierra Leone players bay, Ghana na Yakuraya ball, African Cup, House of Folk, Kotokwaji African Cup. Club championship has to talk about this super cup in Amaye. What's a Ghana players, local boys into me more on a big stage. Muye shame, Yami Tiama Kafaya Benyo people. Eh, oh, jam. Yeah, and go forward, nation ball, time be a Ghana. Yeah, but ask any players, you will players. Bamudi, yeah, national team, I am business. More family players, or more average, or more idea. More so, more national jersey. Now, what to me, the idea, Anti Musica. Eh, bad. Shabola, Equatorial Guinea, airport. Say, Bola, other teams in the ball. I don't know Ghana, more say Ghana, football, sir. Sika dear passa. It's a much meeting winning answer. Moya pay for bonnet, and maybe Tiamoka. Nagana for me catchable. Say more share tournament to Abia. No more share other countries matters or mobile. And Kamubo young paying for. Or think he is so mukura. So-called football people, or think he is so selfish interest, person kumya, foolish you people, professional. Players when we players. No but me aboy me. Ni a players when we get me a ball or mobile. The beer ni baby a Durobian goddamn. We in the bonnet for Namotegana, local boys and any certain foreign boys be back to me a ball papa, but any players are moving to Muti. Wow, the ball have cost war, I've gone away. The ball and go for defending champion, Retania, Equatorial Guinea in the bubble. Equatorial Guinea players bay, Sierra Leone players bay, Ghana na Yakuraya ball, African Cup, House of Folk, Kotokwaji African Cup, Club championship, House of Folk about this super cup in Amaye. What's a Ghana players, local boys into me more on a big stage. Muye shame, Yami Tiama Kafaya Benyo people. Eh, oh, jam.
Well, so that is what I have for you for now. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new content, you will be the first person to watch my video. The name still remains Sammy. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Peace out.